cover girl. So cover girl.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dokiwag and welcome to the self-care family. On today's video, I'll be talking about the Anua skincare brand. Now, first of all, I want to mention that for everyone who has watched my comparison video, this particular video you're watching right now is just dedicated to the Anua. So if you want to have a full-on take about this particular skincare product, then this is the video for you. Now, one thing I will say is that the Anua skincare brand, their skincare philosophy is cruelty-free and plant-based. They try as much as possible not to incorporate a lot of chemicals to the formulation of their skincare, which is something I really love about their brand. Now, the question is, who is this product for? And what is this product for? This is the Anua Dark Spot Correcting Serum, which is believed to help in targeting hyperpigmentation, dark spots, and uneven skin tone. Some people would say it can help with your acne scars, and I'll be like, side eye. But nevertheless, do you think it's going to even out your skin tone? Do you think it's going to target your hyperpigmentation or even remove your acne marks? Here are some of the things that we'll be talking about in this particular video. First is the ingredient formulation of this particular product. Second is, how do you use this? Third is, who can use this? Fourth is, what does it do? 5 is, where can you buy it and how much can you buy it? So for the first thing, we are going to be talking about the ingredients. Now, it is believed that this particular product contains a huge amount of ingredients. Like, I know it's said that it's supposed to target hyperpigmentation. So like, which ingredients are you going to see in this particular product? Now, off the bottle, of the packaging, you would see that it says it contains niacinamide and it contains tranexamic acid, which are key ingredients to target hyperpigmentation and dark spot because they give overall brightening effect to the skin. Now, this particular product contains 10% niacinamide, 4% tranexamic acid, and then it also contains 2% alpha arbutin and a decent amount of ascorbic acid. If you don't know what is ascorbic acid, it is what we call vitamin C. So if you see big words, big skincare words, when you're reading the ingredient, just know that this is what this is. So ascorbic acid is like a version of vitamin C. Now, with that out of the way, there are other ingredients that this also contains. Now, because it wants to give you like an overall even skin tone, it contains salicylic acid that will help in mildly exfoliating your skin while still targets the hyperpigmentation, which in my best opinion, it's really nice because I have also used a particular vitamin C that contains salicylic acid and I loved it. It also contains ingredients that help in soothing and calming your skin, such as panthenol and centella. And you know that God, whenever I hear the word centella, I'm like, give it to me, mama, give it to me. And so yes, it contains centella and panthenol. It also contains a huge amount of humectants, which include, it contains ceramide, it contains water, it contains glycerin, and it also contains hyaluronic acid, like different types of hyaluronic acid, which in my best opinion is also a win-win. Not just because you're trying to like target hyperpigmentation and dark spot does not mean that your skin is going to feel dehydrated. So while you're still doing it, still hydrate your skin a little bit. Now, last but not the least, it also contains a good amount of essential oils. What are essential oils? You know how you have like a lot of plant-based products used in formulating a particular product, and the extract is like this oil and that oil and this oil and that oil. That is essential oil. So I'm going to list a few number of like essential oils or plant-based extracts used in formulating this particular product, which is supposed to serve as an antioxidant and also an anti-inflammatory agent. So with that out of the way, let's talk about what does it believe to do. Now, this particular product is said to help with hyperpigmentation, dark spots, uneven skin tone, and to some people they say it's going to help with acne scars. But next one is, how do you pair this in your routine? For me personally, as someone who has used this 1 bottle, 2 bottle, this is how I pair it in my routine. First, I cleanse my face, and then I go in with my toner. After my toner, I go in with my essence. After essence, I go in with the Anua dark spot correcting serum, which helps in doing what? Treating your face from the post acne marks. And after applying my Anua dark spot correcting serum, I go in with my moisturizer, and afterwards, if it's during the day, I go in with my sunscreen. Now, how do you use this? You can use it during the day or at night. If you're using it during the day, please pair it up with your sunscreen, because you cannot target hyperpigmentation and you are not protecting your skin from sun exposure. If you're using it at night, lock it up with a moisturizer. Also, you can use it during the day and at night, meaning you can use it twice daily. So if your skin tolerates this particular product, definitely you can use it during the day and at night. If you have sensitive skin, I would advise you personally to use it at night alone, not during the day. Now, who can use this particular product? This is where this becomes tricky. This is where this becomes very tricky, and this is where the question of, does this product actually work? Now, for me personally, I would advise, if you have sensitive skin, I wouldn't necessarily tell you to buy this particular product, because it might give you texture or rashes or a little bit of acne because of the high percentage of niacinamide and the fact that it also contains a lot of essential oils, which might trigger your skin. However, if you have a normal skin, an acne prone skin, a blemish prone skin, an oily skin that is tolerant to niacinamide, then you're good to go. You can definitely use this. Now, the question now boils down to, does this actually work? If I, as someone who have sensitive skin, cannot use this product because of the niacinamide, does it actually do the job of targeting my hyperpigmentation or dark spot? If I, as someone who has blemish skin, am I going to see effective results when using this particular product? And here is my 2 cents about it. This is my unbiased, like very authentic, very real take about this particular product. Now, the only ilk I have about this product is the fact that you cannot be producing a product that is believed to target hyperpigmentation and you're producing it in 30 ml and promising people that it is going to work. They are going to see results in 14 days. Do you get my point? Nobody wants to buy a particular product and buy it over and over again with the hopes that it's going to work. People usually repurchase certain products because just off 1 bottle that has been used, they are seeing results. So if I'm going to use this right now and I'm not seeing results, why do you think I am going to buy another bottle? That is the question. Now, if this is the question that is going through people's mind, will you now say that this product actually work? In my best opinion, when I used it, I noticed an even skin tone. I noticed a very slow fading of my dark spots. I did not notice an intense fading of my dark spots and hyperpigmentation. But for someone who is already acquainted with skincare, I do understand that if I go in with another bottle and another bottle, I would definitely see visible results. But for people who, they are going through a lot, they are literally going through a lot because of the stigma, the complex issue they get from having acne, they don't have the leverage or the time to start hoping that one particular product is going to work. This is not like a relationship where you have hopes that something is going to work. this is actually your skin that you're talking about. You get what I mean? So my answer is yes, it works, only if you are patient enough. Now for people who have pale skin, like white people, Asians, definitely they'll see fast result because they don't have an excessive melanated skin. But for people who are brown skin, who are already prone to hyperpigmentation just from birth, and for people who have dark skin, who are always exposed to sun, I don't think giving me a 30 ml worth of product for the price point that it is being sold and expecting me to go over another bottle and another bottle before I will see visible results is realistic. No, it's not. However, yes, the products work, but not for all skin type. For sensitive skin, please try as much as possible to patch test. Try using it once every day and just observe your skin before fully investing in this particular product. Now the next question is, how much can you get it? You can get it between 24 to 30k upwards. Anyone selling this product to you lesser than 24k is selling you fake, except you're getting it off those Korean skincare websites that's you always see like sales going on here and there. And these websites, these Korean skincare websites include Olive Young, Style Korea, Style Vana, and Yes Style. So if you want to buy it lesser than what you would get it from any skincare vendor here in Nigeria, these are the 4 skincare websites that you should actually check out. I'll also list a couple of skincare vendors here in Nigeria on Instagram that you can always buy your Korean skincare product from. So I'll list it here on the screen so that you don't go ahead and buy fake, because since this product has been going viral, they have been selling the fake too. Do you get what I mean? So with that out of the way, I feel like I have covered most of the things that I need to cover in this particular video. If you have further questions concerning this particular skincare product, the Anua dark spot correcting serum, please leave a comment on the comment section. I will be there watching and reading your comments, and I'll always respond to you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed. Also hit the bell button to get notified every single time I make a new upload. Share to your family, your friends, your grandma, whoever needs this particular product. Like and leave a comment, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.